So it's quite straightforward to play Believer on the bass guitar, because all you're doing is playing notes on the top string. So your finger is just going to be plucking, your thumb's going to be plucking the top string only, nothing else. Now, it's the left hand that has to do a little bit of work, but it's not much. So you start with your finger, I'm going to use this finger here, my second finger, on the 5th fret. So if you look, you can see these dots along the fretboard. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's where the second dot along is. I put my finger there. And I press down lovely and hard, making sure it's not buzzing. My next note, same string of course, is on the 1st fret. And then I go to the 4th fret. That's the whole song. So I'm going to be plucking them as crotchets. So it's going to go 4 of this, 2 of that, 2 of that. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 1st fret, 4th fret, and repeat. 5 on the top, 1 on the top, 4 on the top. That's the whole song.